A lot of you must be struggling using formulas with conditional formatting, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you 3 rules with examples. You'll be able to handle all the scenarios like this one. Let's go. For my first example, I have a list of salespeople and I want to highlight the ones that have sales above this 50. So how to do this? We have 3 golden rules. Let's start with the first one. I don't want you to write a formula with an if statement like this. This is not necessary. The second rule is you need to write a formula that will work for the top left cell in your range. So in my case, this is the range and Joseph is the top left cell. So let's write the formula equal, no if, we take the sales bigger than 50. Press enter, you get false, perfect. So this should not be highlighted. The next rule, which is the final one, you need to drag the formula so it will work for the other cells that you have in your range. So in my case, those are the other cells. So I need to drag the formula down. I drag it like this and I have an explosion. So here you have 81 bigger than 50, but you get false. Why? The referencing is wrong. So you're comparing 81 to sales. You need to fix this 50. So we go back here. We're going to use F4, $2 signs. We fix the 50 and now you double click and you get true, perfect. Final step. You just take the formula that corresponds to the top left cell in your range, which is this one, Ctrl C escape. We just select our data. Under home, you have conditional formatting, new rule. We take a formula, we paste it, format, select the format, press OK and press OK, and there you go. So for example, if this is 80, it will change. And if you change something like this one to 40, it will also work. Let's do Ctrl Z. Now you can delete those formulas because you don't need them. Let's continue to something a bit more difficult. So here I have 2 changes. First of all, I don't want to compare the sales to one value here. I want to compare the sales of each person to the objective. And 2, if it's true, I want to highlight the full row and not just a name. So how to do this? Same techniques. This is my range now. I want a formula for Joseph, top left cell. So what is the formula? No if. We're going to compare the sales to the objectives. Perfect. And now we need to drag the formula. Here, my range is those cells. So I need to drag to the right and to the bottom. So we have 2 cells to the right and we have to drag to the bottom. Problem is, it doesn't work. You see here, you have a false, then a true. Not good. Why? You have a problem with cell referencing. Now what I need to do is, when I drag to the right, I don't want the column to move, but if I drag down, I want the row to become 5, 6, etc. So what we can do is add a $sign here and a $sign here. So this way, if I just move to the right, you can see that the columns are the same for all of them. And now if I just take this and move down, you will see that now you have 5, 6, etc. So that works. We take the formula that corresponds to the top left cell in my range. So this is the one here. It will correspond to Joseph. We take it, Ctrl C, escape, select our range. We go to conditional formatting, new rule, same thing. We go here, paste it, go to format and select our format, press OK and press OK. And you see it works, 23, it's in white now. The final one is the trickiest one, so stay tuned. Here what I want is color the names where the sales are between 50 and 80. So we do the same trick. We have the names, this is the top left cell in my range. Let's write a formula and here you can use AND. So you open parentheses, you have the first condition, which is 39 bigger than the sales. Let's use F4 here to fix it, comma. Next, we want 39 smaller than 80 and we use F4 to fix it, close parenthesis. So you get false. Let's double click to drag. This is true and this is true, perfect. Let's take this, Ctrl C escape, select those cells, conditional formatting, new rule. And here we go paste the formula and select our format. Now the last one is with OR. What if on the same cells I want to put another condition? Yes, you can do this. And here I want to highlight everything that is below 50 or above 80. So what we could do is just delete those formulas and write another set for the same range. So here for Joseph, we will do or open parenthesis 39 smaller than 50, we use F4, comma, and then 39 bigger than 80, let's use F4, close parenthesis. So here you'll get the opposite. You see, you get true, true, and true. And quickly, what you can do is just select the formula, Ctrl C, escape, and you select the same cells. You have another rule, and you will go just put it here and select another color. For example, we can select this blue, press OK, and press OK.